Rip, look at the light tunnel.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Is it beautiful, Rip?
Ooh! Wow! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. This is just preview night. We're not running yet. Not everything's on. Wow, the light tunnel, honey. The lights. Yeah, there's more lights. I'm so fired up. I know, Rip. I can barely contain myself.
He's taking my head off.
Wow.
Festival.
Wow.
Join us and sing along as sparkling lights.
And all these lights change. Let's go!
There's a lot going on here.
Yeah, it is. Okay, guys. Not allowed to do burnouts in the light tunnel, but I'll do one just so we all know what it looks like. And then no one has to do it. I'll get it out of the way for all of us. Jackson, you video?
Yeah, I got you, bud.
No burnouts in the light tunnel, guys.
This is a demonstration on what not to
This
do.
is a demonstration on what you should not do when you're at Cletus's Freedom Factory Light Festival. Okay? Don't do this. But now we know what it looks like, all right?
Yeah, this is for scientific purposes only.
Exactly.
Do as we say, not as he does. Alright, so that's what it looked like if a burnout was done in the light tunnel.
Alright.
Hey!
Now we know.
Now we know what it'll look
Now
like.
we know, alright? Tunnel, burnouts are off limits, but you get the idea. It's really awesome. We're just not ever going to do it.
Yeah,
From
that's
this point forward.
yeah,
Feel like we clarify that enough. We
very
good?
clear.
No burnouts
Do
in the
as
tunnel.
we say, not as we do.
Exactly. Thanks for coming to the Freedom Factory Lights Festival. If you do come, we'll see you out here. Open Wednesday through Sunday, 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Come on out and enjoy it. Just don't do a burnout in the tunnel. Okay, I figured I'd get on here real quick and tell you guys that we did blow a transformer last night. Feels like an accomplishment, you know, that we're drawing that much electricity. They said it's equivalent to 8 houses when the show is running that we are operating at one time. So pretty sporty, but it turned out amazing. And I really hope a lot of you get to come out and enjoy it. This is going till January 4th. It starts tonight. So 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. through January 4th, Wednesdays through Sundays. Santa Claus, Christmas movies, games, food, drinks, and just a whole lot of holiday spirit. So come on out to the Freedom Factory if you get the chance. If you're in town or you're from Florida, it's going to be fun. Just don't do a burnout in the tunnel. Thanks, guys.